belt for Royal Atenea here, I'm not sure. This is the port, Marsa here, lots of work going on. There to ferries, catamaran to Sicily.
This area was where the old power station was located, and also there is a potato shed that previously was used to export the potatoes from. Here Ian is buying some stuff for the exhaust of the red current and also a chain belt for Royal Atenea and some other parts to continue the work on Royal Atenea. This place is one of the best places in Malta to find where it comes to stainless steel items and other stuff.
Donut. Just gave it a wash. I'm gonna drain the water now. And the small one too. Morning guys, we're out with the donut, me and Pete, testing it for the first time this year. We're not on full power. I'm not sure about the batteries. We're on both batteries like this. I was thinking maybe let's give it a test with both batteries and then test one at a time. Don't know what range we have. I'm gonna check the MPPT. Beautiful day.
Fantastic.
Yeah, they build a wall, they close the bay.
Not this good. This too. It's good.
We just launched Max's boat with the Suzuki, now it's working fine. I'm going out to test the new power steering. Comandante Max.
Cazzo come gira adesso. No,
Col pisello lo gira.
No, con l'uccello, manca dove sciacquarsi.